how to connect and link your YouTube channel account with your creator page on Patreon. Hello guys, so first thing you have to do is so simple. Go to Patreon. This is the home page. Now all what you have to do is click on creator account and wait a few seconds. It will take you here. Click on edit your page. Now all what you have to do is simple. Click on page settings, scroll down until you find social links, and here's the YouTube. From here click connect and wait a few seconds. Then all what you have to do is it's gonna be connected. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later and thank you so much.